In the world of international aviation, a new challenger is emerging, ready to disrupt the status quo and capture the attention of the entire industry. This is the C929, China's first homegrown wide-body passenger jet, a project that has been years in the making and represents a significant leap forward for the nation's aerospace ambitions. Developed by COMAC, the C929 is more than just a new aircraft model. It's a bold statement of China's determination to become a major player in global aviation, and a direct challenge to the long-standing dominance of Boeing and Airbus. Designed for long-haul routes, the C929 can carry up to 320 passengers in comfort, putting it in direct competition with the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, two of the most advanced jets in the skies today. For China, building the C929 is not just about creating a new airplane. It's a leap towards self-sufficiency in a critical industry, a demonstration of technological prowess, and a strategic move to capture a significant share of the global aviation market, which has long been dominated by Western manufacturers. Every milestone in the C929's development is closely watched by industry analysts, airline executives, and governments around the world, as the jet's journey tests China's ability to break into one of the world's most complex and competitive markets. The world is watching with anticipation to see if this ambitious new contender can truly reshape the future of air travel, and perhaps change the balance of power in the skies for years to come. The C929 recently completed a non-stop 12,000-kilometer test flight, a feat that stunned the global aerospace community and sent ripples through the industry. Covering a distance that stretches nearly halfway around the world, this journey was more than just a technical milestone. It was a bold statement of intent from China's aviation sector. This wasn't just a technical trial, it was a clear demonstration of the jet's long-range capabilities and a signal that COMAC's ambitions are real. Engineers, pilots, and industry leaders watched closely as the C929 pushed the boundaries of what a new entrant can achieve in commercial aviation. The flight proved the C929 can connect major global hubs, putting it firmly in the long-haul category. With this achievement, COMAC has shown it can compete on routes that were once dominated by established Western manufacturers, opening up new possibilities for airlines and passengers alike. It showcased the aircraft's efficiency, reliability, and the performance of its systems over extended distances. Every aspect of the flight, from fuel management to onboard systems, was put to the test, and the C929 delivered, flying smoothly and safely across continents. For Boeing and Airbus, this was a wake-up call. China is not just building big jets, it's building them well. The C929's performance has forced industry giants to take notice, as a new challenger emerges on the world stage. The successful test flight has accelerated industry expectations, making the C929 a real competitor sooner than many anticipated. Investors, airlines, and analysts are now watching closely, eager to see how this new aircraft will reshape the global market. The race for the skies just got a lot more interesting, and the world is watching to see what comes next. Developing the C929 has been a monumental challenge, marked by delays, technical hurdles, and global disruptions. The COVID-19 pandemic slowed progress, while the complexity of building a modern wide-body jet pushed COMAC into uncharted territory. China had to master advanced aerodynamics, composite materials, and sophisticated avionics, fields long dominated by the West. International partnerships were crucial, but geopolitical tensions complicated access to key technologies. Despite setbacks, strong government support kept the project alive, turning obstacles into opportunities for learning and adaptation. The C929's development is a story of resilience, innovation, and a relentless drive to join the world's elite aircraft manufacturers. Against the odds, China is closing the gap. The C929's journey was dramatically shaken when Russia, its original partner, withdrew from the project due to mounting Western sanctions. This unexpected move sent shockwaves through the ambitious program, leaving many to question its future. The joint venture collapsed almost overnight, forcing COMAC to take full control and completely overhaul the project's direction. The sudden split meant that years of collaboration and planning had to be reimagined, and COMAC was left to navigate uncharted territory alone. Supplier plans and technical roadmaps had to be rebuilt from scratch, testing not only China's resolve but also the depth of its engineering capabilities. Every system, every component had to be reconsidered and sourced anew. Instead of faltering, COMAC pressed forward with renewed determination, re-engaging with Western suppliers at major industry events and seeking out new partnerships to fill the void left by Russia's exit. New deals with companies like France's Safran and the US-based Crane Aerospace brought critical systems and advanced technology back into the fold, ensuring the C929 could still meet international standards. For China, this meant access to proven world-class technology. For Western firms, it was a rare opportunity to tap into the world's fastest-growing aviation market and build long-term relationships. The C929's revival after such a major fracture demonstrates China's pragmatic approach, adaptability, and unwavering determination to succeed in the global aerospace industry. Today, the project is firmly back on track, with COMAC and its partners pushing ahead to make the C929 a reality. The C929 is engineered to compete directly with the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, matching them in range, efficiency, and passenger comfort. Its twin-engine, wide-body design uses advanced composites for lighter weight and better fuel economy. With seating for 250 to 320 passengers, it targets the heart of the long-haul market. COMAC aims to offer airlines a technologically advanced, fuel-efficient jet at a lower price point than its Western rivals. The C929's modern cabin features larger windows, improved air quality, and a quieter ride, essentials for winning over passengers and airlines alike. By blending performance, efficiency, and comfort, COMAC hopes to disrupt the established order. The C929 is designed to be a true alternative, not just a copy. The arrival of the C929 could trigger the biggest shakeup in aviation in decades. For the first time, airlines have a real alternative to Boeing and Airbus, promising more competition, lower prices, and faster innovation. China's goal is to supply its booming domestic market and expand its influence abroad, especially among Belt and Road countries. The C929 could become a tool of economic diplomacy, shifting alliances and market boundaries. Boeing and Airbus will be forced to innovate and compete harder, especially in Asia. The rise of COMAC signals a new era where the duopoly is challenged and the rules of the game are rewritten. The C929 is more than an airplane, it's a catalyst for global change. As the C929 moves through testing and certification, the world is watching a new chapter in aviation unfold. Achieving certification and scaling up production will be the next big hurdles for COMAC. Gaining trust from international regulators is crucial for global success. The C929's progress proves that with investment and determination, even the most entrenched monopolies can be challenged. Its journey inspires other emerging economies to aim higher in high-tech manufacturing. The C929's arrival marks the start of a more competitive, innovative, and diverse aerospace industry. A new contender is taking flight, and the future of air travel will never be the same.